Buy it at the pharmacy and stick it on your windows. It's very cheap, and your apartment will quickly become cool. If you don't have external blinds or air conditioning, you know how hot it gets in the summer. It turns out that this foil solves that problem. An ordinary emergency blanket has two sides, one gold and one silver. Each has a different use. The silver side reflects heat, while the gold side stores it. Measure your window glass precisely. Then cut the blanket to the appropriate dimensions. Wet the window with regular water and stick the blanket onto it. Use a cloth to smooth out air bubbles under the foil. Stick the silver side of the blanket on the outside. The gold side should face inside the room. This way, it will reflect the sun's rays. You'll notice the difference in just a few minutes. Apply it to windows on the south side. These are the windows that let in the most heat. I've been using this trick in my home for years. It makes heat waves much more bearable. Roll it up and attach it to the window. Your place will be cooler right away without air conditioning or exterior blinds. First, get a roll of thermal insulation foil. Draw a line along the length you want for the shade. Cut the foil along that line. Next, take any small wooden strip or plastic rod and mark the width of the shade on it. Cut it to size. Then place it at one end of the foil and staple it on. Do it close together so it stays secure. Now roll the foil up tightly with the silver side facing out. Roll it from the side with the strip. Stick double-sided tape to the outer edge like I did. This tape will hold the shade to the window frame. You'll also need it to attach the string. Stick the string on the same way. Now attach the shade to the window frame. Finally, stick a hook or hanger above it. When the sun is out, leave the shade down. When it's cooler, just roll it up and hook it. And that's it. It's all ready. Every night, I would place a towel on the window, and it helped me a lot. This trick can come in handy not only at home, but also during exotic travels. There are a few simple tricks you can use to lower the temperature a bit. One of them is to hang a wet towel on the window in the evening. Take a towel and soak it in water. Make sure to wring it out well so that it doesn't drip. The moisture will make the room noticeably cooler right away. Another trick is to chill your socks in the fridge. Wetting them with cold water works just as well. Lowering the temperature of your feet triggers an automatic response in your body that increases circulation in that area, which in turn helps you fall asleep. A similar effect can be achieved by taking a cool bath or simply soaking your feet in cold water before bed. With these methods, you'll quickly cool down the room and feel much better. Here's how to cool your home without air conditioning. A hot, stuffy apartment during a heat wave can be a real nightmare if you don't have AC. Luckily, there's a simple, tried-and-true method that will help you get through those scorching days and cool your space effectively. But before I show you this great idea, remember to avoid basic mistakes that make your place even hotter. Don't open your windows during the day. That just lets in hot air. Keep them covered with blinds or curtains to block the sun and reduce heat buildup. The best way to cool your home is to make your own DIY air conditioner. It's an inexpensive and easy trick that can make a big difference. Start by adding a tablespoon of table salt to a large container. Salt lowers the freezing point of water, so the saltwater ice cubes get colder than regular ice and melt more slowly. Next, pour in about a quart of water and stir until the salt dissolves. Pour the solution into ice cube trays and freeze it. Once the cubes are ready, drop them into a metal bowl and place it in front of a running fan. The air blowing over the ice will become noticeably cooler, spreading refreshing air throughout the room. It's a clever way to beat the heat even on the hottest days, without spending money on expensive equipment. You only need 2 things to make a homemade air conditioner. I'm sure you haven't heard of this method for home cooling yet. It's significantly cheaper and produces amazing results. You can create it in less than 15 minutes. Prepare 2 bottles. Cut off their bottoms at about the same height as I did. Then, make holes in the bottles. You can use a soldering iron or even toothpicks. Leave about 4 centimeters from the cap without holes. This will be important later. Now take a fan and remove its cover to make it easier to work with. Get 4 zip ties and attach the bottles. You'll need 2 zip ties per bottle. Attach them to the fan's wires and the holes in the bottles. If you have any excess plastic, cut it off. We can now close the fan. Our final step is to put ice into the bottles. When you turn on the fan, the ice will help the fan produce an air conditioning effect. If the ice starts to melt, just place a glass under the cap and drain the water. You can add more ice cubes at any time. The effect of this homemade air conditioner is fantastic. You'll feel the difference immediately. Do you leave your window blind halfway down? You're making a big mistake. A half-lowered exterior blind in summer can actually be dangerous. Most people have no idea. Window and blind manufacturers don't mention this. During sunny months, blinds need to be used the right way. It's important that the blind is either fully open or fully closed. If you leave it halfway, like it is now, you might end up needing to replace your window pane in the summer. Why? When the sun shines directly on the glass, there's a huge temperature difference between the top and bottom parts of the pane. Unfortunately, that causes problems. The glass can become damaged and crack. It's just basic physics. And unfortunately, those kinds of cracks aren't covered by any warranty. No one will reimburse you for the cost of replacing the glass if the damage is caused by a half-lowered blind. So don't make this mistake again. And make sure to use your blinds correctly during the summer. I no longer buy blinds and shades. You won't believe it, but I make them myself in 10 minutes. They cost next to nothing. All you need is a roll of wallpaper. Measure out 210 centimeters from each edge of the roll. This length will be used for a window 1 meter high. Draw a line and cut the wallpaper at that point with scissors. Measure out 3 centimeters at the edges of one end. Draw a line and fold the wallpaper along it. Measure out another 3 centimeters and fold the wallpaper in the other direction. Continue folding the wallpaper in this manner. It will form an accordion-like pattern. Once the entire piece of wallpaper is folded, you'll have a pleated roll. Mark the center and drill a hole with a thin drill bit. Thread a string through the hole. Attach a string stopper to one end. Tie a loop to prevent the string from slipping out. On the other end of the wallpaper, attach the end of the string with adhesive tape. Do this on the side without the pattern. Take double-sided tape and stick it to the edge of the wallpaper where the end of the string is attached. Remove the protective tape and stick the blind to the upper window frame. And you're done. It only took a few minutes to make a beautiful pleated shade. You can adjust it with the string stopper. It beautifully decorates the window. It shields from light and neighbors' eyes. The string in the center allows for a beautiful fan effect at the bottom of the blind. Such a blind is stunning and unique.